Hi students, today we are going to see the important topic, that is bookkeeping. It is very useful to every one of commerce students and management studies. So you keep watch very well. Here, what is bookkeeping? What is an accounting? What is an accountancy? What are the salient features of bookkeeping and the difference between the bookkeeping and the accounting? Last one is bookkeeping considered as science or an art? All these things we are going to discuss in this class. Now, what is bookkeeping? Before we are going to know about the bookkeeping, we should see the term accounting. Accounting means a systematic process of identifying, recording, classifying, summarizing, interpreting, and communicating the financial information. That is called accounting. So, accounting is a process. What is process? Process means it is moving on several stages. That is identifying the business transactions, regard the business transactions, classifying the business transactions, summarizing the business transactions, interpreting the business transactions, communicating the business transactions. That is accounting. So that accounting is a process. In the accounting process, or the accounting process starts with or begins with bookkeeping. That is, bookkeeping is the first step or primary step in the accounting. You see, accounting process starts with bookkeeping, that is, it regards identifying the transaction, regarding the transaction, classifying the transactions. These three things are making bookkeeping. So that bookkeeping is the first step or primary step in the accounting. Then accounting is the second step in the accounting process. What are the second steps? That is summarizing, interpreting, and communicating the financial information. That is the financial transaction. It is called accounting. Anyhow, before we are going to see the bookkeeping, first we got to see what is business transactions. You see, the business transactions are of, the business transactions. That is buying goods, selling of goods, receiving income, paying expenses. These are all business transactions. These business transactions systematically recorded in the books of accounts, that is called bookkeeping. So, bookkeeping means identifying, recording, and classifying the business transactions. To record these business transactions in a set of books, that is called bookkeeping. So that bookkeeping is the first step or primary step in the accounting process. Here, bookkeeping records all the transactions, whether it is cash transaction or credit transactions. It is of monetary in nature, that is only financial activities. Monetary activities alone considered in the bookkeeping. That is, it regards journal and ledger. What is journal and what is ledger? It will discuss in later. Anyhow, the bookkeeping is of identifying, recording, and classifying the business transactions. The first two steps is making, that is journal. Then classifying the business transactions or making ledger. These two things done by, that is bookkeeping. So that it is the first stage or primary stage in the accounting. Next, bookkeeping, which records only monetary transactions, that is financial transactions. It records these financial transactions in a systematic manner, that is chronological order. What do you mean by chronological order? You see, the chronological order means that is the time. On time basis, the transactions occurred in the business, whether it is purchases, sales, any expenses or any income that is payable or received. All these business transactions should be recorded in time. That means in chronological order, date wise, time wise, monthly wise. That is, first transaction is recorded in first. Second transaction recorded in second. Third transaction recorded in third. That is the chronological order. It will help in the management or in the business to reduce the risk or to reduce the fraud or to reduce the mistakes. That is very important in the bookkeeping system. Next, we have to see the salient features of bookkeeping. First one is, it is a process of regarding the business transactions. So bookkeeping is the systematic process of regarding the business transaction, classifying the business transactions. That is the first salient features. That is, the business transactions, purchases, sales, income, expenses are to be identified, are to be recorded and are to be classified in a proper manner. That is the bookkeeping. The next one is, it is a routine work. What is routine work? The bookkeeping, it is of routine work in the business. The business has everyday business transactions, everyday sales, everyday purchases, everyday income. So, the bookkeeping, it is a routine work in the business. It is carried by a separate clerk. That is the bookkeeping. Next, it is of primary or first stage. Already we have discussed in the beginning of this unit. Bookkeeping is the first stage or first step or beginning stage or beginning step in the accounting process. Then the bookkeeping, it provides journal and ledger. You know, journal, it is the first entry in the accounting process. Journal means to record the business transaction into debit as well as credit. It will discuss in the journal chapter. Anyhow, bookkeeping is of recording journal and ledger. First, record the transactions in a journal, that is either debit as well as credit. Like that, these recorded transactions should be classified, that is, should be posted into ledger. These two things has done by bookkeeping. That is the important salient feature in bookkeeping system. Next, as a commerce student, we should see the different terms in accountancy. That is, what is bookkeeping, what is accounting and what is accountancy. That is very, very important on the part of every commerce students. Here, accountants bookkeeping is to record the business transactions, identify the business transaction and classify the business transactions. These three aspects alone studied by bookkeeping. Bookkeeping, it is a recording of business transaction and classifying business transactions. That is called bookkeeping. So that it is a primary stage in accounting process. Then what is accounting? In addition to bookkeeping, accounting studied about summarizing the business transactions, analyzing the business transactions, interpreting the business transactions, and communicating the business transactions. That is called accounting. So, accounting which includes bookkeeping. So, bookkeeping, it is a part of an accounting. Then, what is accountancy? Accountancy means it is a systematic study of accounting knowledge, accounting principles, accounting rules, and accounting standards. That is called accountancy. So, we can easily understand about these three terms. Accountancy is of a systematic study of accounting knowledge, accounting principles, accounting rules, and accounting standard. That is called accountancy. So, accountancy which includes accounting. That is, accounting, it is a part of accountancy. The accountancy is a clear or systematic study of these accounting knowledges, these accounting principles, these accounting rules, and these accounting standard. That is accountancy. Now, we are very clear about what is bookkeeping and what is accounting and what is accountancy. That is very clear. Next, we have to see bookkeeping is considered as a science or an art. Is bookkeeping considered as a science or an art? Here, bookkeeping is considered both science as well as an art. Because you know the science. Science has a set of knowledge, a set of principles, and a set of rules. That is the science. For example, H2O, that is hydrogen 2 proportion added with 1 proportion of oxygen comes to water. That is the science. Like that, in the bookkeeping, it has set of rules, set of principles, and set of knowledges. These principles, these rules will followed by bookkeeping at the time of regarding the business transaction, classifying the business transactions. So that bookkeeping is considered as a science. In the bookkeeping, we should follow accounting principles, then double entry principles, rules of personal account, rules of real account, and rules of nominal account. So that bookkeeping is considered as a science. Then, what is an art? How the bookkeeping is considered as an art? You know, art means that is the talent or skill or ability possessed by different persons. That is, you have a ability to speak in English. You have a ability to draw a picture. You have the ability to frame any particular work. That is your ability, your skill, your talent. That is an art. Like that, bookkeeping is an art. Here, it is done by the bookkeeper. The bookkeeper has to show his talent, his ability, and his skill to regard the business transactions in a systematic or proper way. So that bookkeeping is considered as an art. Totally, we have to say that bookkeeping is considered both a science as well as an art. the last thing in this class, that is the difference between the bookkeeping and accounting. It is very, very important in your part. We have to discuss the various important differences between the bookkeeping and accounting. First difference between the bookkeeping and accounting on its object, that is, bookkeeping means to record all the business transactions in a systematic manner and keep all these transactions in a set of books. That is the main object of bookkeeping. Here, with regard to accounting, the main object of studying the accounting is to ascertain the net results. You see the net results. That is, the business concern is earning profit or loss as well as its financial position. That is the main object or main purpose of studying the accounting. That is the first difference between the bookkeeping and accounting. Then second one is scope. With regard to scope, bookkeeping is of regarding the business transaction, identifying the business transaction, and classifying the business transactions. That is the scope of bookkeeping. Here, the accounting scope was in addition to bookkeeping, that is, identifying, classifying, and recording the business transactions. It regards summarizing, analyzing, interpreting, and communicating the financial transactions. That is accounting. Next stage. With regard to stage, bookkeeping is the first stage or primary stage in the accounting process, whereas accounting is of secondary stage. That is, after completion of your journal and ledger, the accounting process will start. That is, preparation of trading account, preparation of profit and loss account, and preparation of balance sheet. That is the secondary things in the accounting process. Fourth one is nature of work. Bookkeeping, it is a routine work. It is performed by clerk. That is, it is of clerical in nature. That is clerical work. What do you mean by routine work? You see, everyday business transactions should be recorded daily. That is called routine work. Here, with regard to accounting, it is a analytical work. It is of high level work. This is analytical in nature. That means analyze the business transactions, interpreting the business transactions, communicating the business transactions. That is called accounting. Next, performer. With regard to performer, bookkeeping has to perform a junior clerk. That is a basic clerk. It is enough to write the bookkeeping system. Whereas in accounting, it is of high level work. It is performed by senior staff. That is, expert staff has to work in the accounting. The next one is knowledge required. With regard to knowledge required, in the bookkeeping, the bookkeeper, that is the clerk, requires a minimum knowledge. That is a limited knowledge about how to write the journal, how to write the that is ledger. These things, it is enough on the part of the bookkeeper. Whereas in case of accounting, it needs or it requires high level knowledge because it is of analytical in nature, it is of interpreting in nature, it is of communicating in nature. So it is analytical work. It requires high level knowledge. These are all differences between bookkeeping and accounting.